Yes, sir,
Yes,
my
sir,
dog,
my
my
slime,
slime,
yes,
yes,
my
sir.
G, my
Good
dog,
look,
good looks,
you
my
are my
C,
slime,
yes,
yes,
sir,
good
my
look,
yes,
dog,
sir,
my
yes,
G,
sir,
my
yes,
slime,
sir, slime.
Mommy, yes, darling. What's for dinner, Mommy? I'm starving. Lamb's cheese, sweetheart. Okay, thank you, Mommy. Love you. It's fucking stew.
Okay, so today I thought I'd do a little story time about a time I got scammed out of an iPhone XS Max and literally got arrested because of it. Okay, so first of all, I put the phone on Gumtree, as you can see here, for £1,000. Don't know why I put it on Gumtree, like I was just asking for trouble. And then pretty much as soon as I posted it, this guy was texting me. I don't have the text because they're on my old phone, but he was texting me saying he could come and collect it. And it was like 10 at night. I don't know why I didn't think that was sketchy, but he drove to my street really late. And then he counted out £1,000 of cash in front of me. As you can see here, all was well and good. I got £1,000. I thought I'd made a bit of money, you know. Until the next day, I took this money to NatWest and tried to cash it in, which is when they confiscated every last penny of it because it was all counterfeit. And then they gave me a little sheet saying I tried to hand in £1,000 in counterfeit notes, and they were like, take this to the police station, like go and hand yourself it. Like for a part.
I'd really rather not do that because then I'll be there all fucking day. Go. What? No, you didn't.
I got a new life.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking in the bad bitch.
You make me this, bring me up, bring me down. Play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Saxo beat.
Oh, fuck, shit, bitch, yes, shit, west, sit up, get really rich.
Listen, man, if you about to get into a fight and his homies start doing these movements, just know you about to get jumped. If one of his homies is pacing back and forth with his hands behind his back, just know he's waiting to sneak you. If bro has his hands in his pockets and he keeps looking at the main person you're about to fight, just know he's about to rock you. If one of them changes their stance to this, just know he is trying to knock your head off. And last but not least, if they start taking their jackets off, they wanted to jump you from the start.
I decided to cheer myself up today because my teacher told me at the rate I'm going, I was going to fail A-levels. Notice the sad music? It's because I'm really fucking upset. I mean, she's not wrong. Sometimes I just do the dumbest things. Do you know what? After much pondering, I think she is wrong, actually. I'm a very smart young girl. I just took a BuzzFeed quiz and it told me I had the intelligence of a tortoise. Now, I don't know much about tortoises, that's the right word, but, you know, I do know they're very wise. Like that tortoise in Kung Fu Panda, I'm pretty sure he killed everyone, so he's a fucking badass. There's me throwing a little tantrum because my brother said the cookies look like something my cat would shit out. There's my little dickhead brother, what a wanker. And here are the cookies. Yeah, they're alright. There.
What?
What?
Why are you barking?
What's wrong?
Too much noise in bed? Okay.
All of the things I do.
Roderick, can you explain what you're doing in this photo?
That's not me.
That's not you?
Nope.
Watch this. Oh, yeah! God damn!
Joe McClain, drop that shit.
I'm on my savage shit.
Things in my parents' old-ass British house that just make sense.
If you ignore my very flamboyant wave, you can look at our sink. It has a freezing cold and boiling hot tap, respectively. Just turn them both on, and you actually can't fit your hands under both taps at the same time, so you have to plug a drain in the middle of the sink to form a reservoir to wash your hands. This will be too hot, very uncomfortable. You try to mix it together, but it's not as hygienic as actually washing your hands under a running tap, so you can just smash your hands against the wall of the sink. If that doesn't work, we have another sink in the middle of our cabinet here. This drawer doesn't work because there's a sink in the way. We do have a proper working sink behind me right here, but we have this one because it's just very...
Hit the strip out of school, couldn't wait till I got out of class, used to stare at the clock.
I'm not sad right now, but I really want to cry. But I can't really do that. I mean, I can make myself cry, but that doesn't count, you know? I want to cry, but I'm not sad, so I'm not gonna cry. So I'm kind of frustrated about that right now.
Let's talk about the most isolated place on Earth. Point Nemo. This tiny little dot is actually the space in the ocean that is furthest from any type of landmass. You are about 1,000 miles away from any form of civilization right here, which is kind of horrifying, and this place is also devoid of marine life. The only thing that can survive here is basically a bunch of microorganisms and bacteria, because this is in something called a subtropical gyre that forces out all sorts of nutrients, and what's even weirder is even though there's no marine life, this area is where the mysterious sound the bloop originated from, which is really kind of creepy. Another important thing to note is the person who found this spot didn't even visit it. They had to use a computer simulation to find out what the loneliest place on Earth was. Another important thing to note is people in the International Space Station are actually closer to Point Nemo than people on Earth. And this is where we dump all of our spaceships and satellites. So it's a giant mechanical graveyard with nothing else in it.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the out for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up.
Last night I lay in bed so blue, 'cause I realized the truth, make you love me like I'm a
Dad, please, bro. Stop acting like a toddler and come home, bro. The family needs you. Why? Bro, look what you're wearing. Why, bro, Dad? Oh my God, bro. I can't believe I'm your son. Oh my God. I can't. I'm battling.
Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have to go now. I'm gonna go wash the car with my son.
Could you not just use a sponge?
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide.
Yeah, look, sex, I need some wet shit. Neck, I need some bacon. Yeah, I'm a little man, yeah. Kiss on your belly, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah.
This one definitely belongs in the streets. So we got an Instagram DM. Brad, can you check my brother's girl? She seems scummy enough to hurt him. He said, please, bro, you can probably even use a pickup line that doesn't make any sense. And I said, let's use a Fortnite one. So I'm thinking, there's no way this works. This is like a 10-year-old pickup line. She's like 19. So I say, are you a boogie bum? Because I want to dance on your dead body. And I know it doesn't make any sense, but it worked. She said, I'm not going to lie. I have no idea what you're talking about, but hi. Hi, I saw you on my Explore page and thought you were cute. I'm glad because you're pretty. Pretty cute? I'm thinking, oh God, are you single? Nope, but I don't mind having a guy on the side. Perfect. You have a Snapchat pretty boy? Yes, but you're not getting it. What do you want, a Scooby snack? Ugh. I challenge you, Miranda Cooper, to a fucking fight.
Ooh. Ooh. What? Oh yeah.
Some hits don't make no sense.
Ooh, damn. Yeah.
Are we about to kiss right now? No? Why?
What? Oh, you're allergic?
Under pressure, name her pet. I'm smoking pressure.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad.
Now, let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Okay, so according to TikTok, this is gonna change the game. Shove a bunch of ice down into your garbage disposal. Since there's a bad smell, I swear this better work. Next, you let it run without water. Then, while it's running, you turn on the hot water. Oh my god, it's actually working! Are you kidding me?
Go.
Got the club going up on the Tuesday.
Wow, I'm in Paris. This is cool. Welcome to Paris. Can I get you a baguette? No, thank you. My daddy says that I have a baguette waiting for me in the hotel room. Oh wait, now I get it. My uncle always says I could use his Eiffel Tower. Whoa. You Mexicans are so funny. Can I get a croissant filled with icing, please? Here you go. Thank you, I'll save it for later. Oh, you don't want to eat now? No, thank you, I'm filled, but not with food.
Hi, yeah, here's the egg you ordered. Oh, you wanted that scrambled? Yeah, one sec.
She said, where'd you find this guy? I said, young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Spell TikTok backwards. Go.
K-O-T-K-I-T.
Did you say K-O-T-K-I-T?
Sure did, buddy.
Now, what's the best app on the market right now?
Cockit.
Not Cockit, it's TikTok.
What? Baby, there's a shooting star. That one's for me and you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't care if you're the demon seed of Davy Jones. You're going down, Tubby.
Tubby?
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
She said, you're the worst, you're the worst. I cannot die bigger than my universe. I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't have lied. Should've saw.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
I need to know, could you be the one to call when I lose control?
I need your love. I need your love. I need your love.
Oops, my heart went.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Now, this is epic.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Let's play staring contest. 3, 2, 1, go.
Purple tree, plus I got this brown in me. Curly yellow dancing on me, so she smelled the green on me. And she straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me.
Put a finger down if in May 2007 you went on holiday to Portugal and stayed at the Praia da Luz Hotel Resort, which is exactly the same place that Madeleine McCann went missing, at exactly the same time that Madeleine McCann went missing, when you were exactly the same age as Madeleine McCann, and looked a fair bit similar to Madeleine McCann. Put a finger down if you were stopped multiple times by police whilst you were there. Put a finger down if you went to a party and you were later told by your parents that you were surrounded by plainclothes police. Put a finger down if you don't know whether you're Madeleine McCann or not.
Anime is an important part of our culture.
Oh, look at him tremble. He's gonna burst a blood vessel because I dissed his wife.
Don't you like it when these diamonds look like respect? I'm a little closer, sexy boy, and scratch a little.
Carol, I'm just going to check the vegetable patch. Right, let's check on what I planted a few weeks ago. Here we are. Fresh desperados. And a 6-pack as well. Oh, excellent, yeah. That's Charizard. Yeah, his name's Pikachu. And Ash doesn't want them to steal Pikachu because he loves him. No, the dragon. What? Who? Charizard?
Yeah.
No, Charizard is a good guy. He's a really good guy. He's the best guy.
He plays about fire.
Yeah, but he's a good guy. You can do fire and be a good guy.
That means dragon.
The mean dragon?
Yeah.
Mewtwo.
Go. Go Mario.
Three, two, one. I love.
Jenny, they rockin' with me. They want smoke, can. We talking about, yeah. We talking about, yeah. Hold up, yeah. We talking about, yeah. What's that supposed to be about, baby? Go free up your eyes, stop acting crazy. Reminisce on all the good times daily. Try and pull, they got me acting shady. What's that supposed to be about, baby?
She put my hand up on it, throw it, don't squeeze that shit.
Hey, it's Hannah. Hannah Baker.
You get picked one prize. What are you gonna pick? What'd you get?
You work in a pizza shop?
I hate Fifth Harmony. But then y'all be like,
Come here!
they were dating? All of them?
Wish that they could see the underneath. I'm just an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm lazy. I get bored. I get scared. I feel ignored.
I'm gonna bring back a memory you don't even know you had, part like 85.
Next, when hotel life is this good, you may never want to check out. Check in with the Sweet Life of Zach and Cody, right here on Disney Channel.
If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? Right? No. If the world was ending, you would come over, right?
Gay boy.
If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180. I lost it long ago, you're my little baby. Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family. We open real soon. Stupid fucking dinosaur!
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Baby, there's a shooting star. That one's for me and you.
I am a dancer, that is to say, a conduit. I don't define movement, movement defines me. Every dance tells a story. A human mind.
I really gotta hold on.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Your hoe will get snapped. What's up, Mambo Rambo? Where that bit with all that ammo?
Flying my white flag, my white flag. My love, where are you? My love, where are you? Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready.
Oh, to see without my eyes. The first time that you give.
As soon as he pulls that trigger of I don't want to talk anymore, he's getting taken off of the private. Period. I'm gonna delete my screenshot. Help. I'm gonna pin him. I'm gonna have to change his name. And I'm gonna have to not talk to him anymore. And he's the best part of my day.
I am very uncomfortable with the energy that we've created in the studio today.
Yo, guys. Have you ever wondered how figure skaters can spin around so damn fast? No? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, I know it's math, but please don't scroll. I promise it's not that bad. This thing L is called the angular momentum of an object, and it always stays constant. What that means is if I decreases, then omega needs to increase to keep L constant. Earlier, when I put my arms in, I was actually decreasing my I, and that's why my angular speed, my omega, that W looking thing, increased. And figure skaters use the same concept. So here I am, arms out, now arms in, I'm spinning way faster. Tell me guys what you want to see next. I got lots of cool demos in here.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human.
Since some people hate that I act mad and scream in my videos, I've decided to recreate one of my screaming videos about people who only shower in the morning. But I'm not going to act mad, I'm not going to scream, and I've removed all the vulgarity. So it's just regular me. I'm not going to act mad. And we're going to see how unfunny and cringy this video actually is with me just being monotone. Are we ready? If you're one of those people that only showers in the morning, you have to be the most disgusting person I know. Because that means you're going to bed dirty and sweaty. Shower at night. Shower in the morning and at night. But if you only shower in the morning, you are so grimy. Please stop that.
Let money go where I go. Smoking on gelato. Foreign car swerving pie.
Do you ever shut the fuck up? What did she do? Bitch gon' breathe. She stay doing some annoying shit.
Sometime, just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Fuck 12. Look what kind of picture they try to paint on me. Drink. I know. What you tell him, Sly?
DJ Lil King, what up?
Gangster, blood, shooter, killer, robber, yeah, finesse, juggle, I do it, sticks, get to it.
Wish that they could see the underneath. I'm just an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm lazy, I get bored, I get scared, I feel ignored, I feel happy, I get silly, I choke on my
baby girl, you know what I want. Let me do it to you, do it to you. Let me do you like
Baby, there's a shooting star. That one's for me and you.
cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone.
You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up. I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking. I'm just a thinking about where I should have been. I've been lonely. La la la, la 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 la, lonely. I'm a lonely chick. La 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 la.
Part 4 of driving across the entire East Coast to save my best friend. So after driving to Georgia to scoop my boy and enjoying a few days there, I thought it was going to be time to bring him home, but I was completely wrong. We were planning on leaving the next morning around 8 a.m., but literally the night before we left at 10 o'clock, my girlfriend called me and said she was going on a road trip to Florida with my brother, his girlfriend, and a group of their friends, and because they literally had to pass through Georgia to get there, I told them to scoop me on the way. So they did, and now I'm on my way to Florida for a whole entire week on only a 5-hour notice. We have so many things planned, so you don't want to miss the next video, like for part 5.
Anarchy! 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 I don't even know what that means, but I love it!
What's up, guys? I'm on vacation, but physics stops for no one. So here's a quick physics fact for you. Did you know atoms are 99.99999999999% empty space? And to put that in American units, that means if you put the nucleus of the atom in the middle of a football field, the rest of the atom is the football field. So if it was hydrogen, then the electron would just be dancing around that football field all alone, and the nucleus would just be a little marble in the center. One more thing, if you took all the atoms in all the humans combined on Earth and put them all together, they would make up the size of about this cashew. That's how much empty space are in atoms.
I wish my initials were SOS for one reason only, so I could get stranded on a desert island, write out SOS in the sand so I can be rescued, and then when the rescuers finally come, they pull up and say, like, hey, we saw your sign, do you need to be rescued? And I can be like, nah, those are just my initials, bruh.
May I have your attention? All the way from the confines of a cesspool of festering vector in Santa Monica. Please give it up for the iconic, the ironic, and just plain ridiculous man of the hour. Give it up for your daddy.
Wait, hold up. Watch this. Made a heart for you.
If you call shotgun to reserve a seat in the front of the car, what do you shout if you want to sit in the back?
Rosa Parks.
You guys aren't gonna believe this. So I get an Instagram DM. Yo, I need you and Sydney to do some sleuthing to see if my homie's girlfriend is being loyal during quarantine. She's cheated before and I don't want him to get hurt. So of course I brought it to her. And if you don't know her, she's another TikTok detective. So of course she was down. Wow, you're absolutely stunning. I get that a lot. Wow, cute and modest. Hey, so how would you rate me on a scale of this phone number to this phone number? She says a solid this phone number. Gives me her phone number. I say, well, that's reassuring. You don't have a guy or anything, right? She says, no, sir. So feel free to give me a call tonight. And we don't like liars. No, that's not okay. I said, well, I'll be giving someone a call. And it's definitely going to be her boyfriend telling him how she's cheating on him. Because bro code, not cool.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a front flip on top of your bed. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this is how you do the front flip. First, you just Alright guys, thanks for watching and don't forget, stay fresh.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad. Remember the times we had, the times that you and me had. Remember the times we had, the times that you and me had. Reminiscing about the time when you wasn't by my